Hello, and today we're going to be going through the COVID-19 drive-through testing registration module handled on the GovPilot platform. So to start off, the first thing that you see on your screen is a registration form. Now this registration form is designed to be put on your website. So anyone looking to register for testing can do so electronically while maintaining social distancing. No need to print something out and mail it in or come down to the local office. They could go to your website and either on a PC, laptop, or mobile device, access the registration form and do so from the convenience of home. So what we see here is some basic applicant information, which I'm going to autofill just to save some time, but I'll walk through the data points that are being collected. So first name, date of birth, last name, their address in case you have to verify that they actually live within your local government's boundaries. How many people they'd like to have tested. They may be applying for their whole household. I'm going to come with my family or just myself and my wife. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually put information in here. Just going to fill in a date, and we're going to save that, and there I am. And then we're going to put another one in here. And there's my wife as well. If you're requiring any specific attachments to come along with this registration, that could be done so here, and it could be written out in text as to what you're going to be looking for to come along with the application. And then at the bottom, we're going to have testing locations. So if there's multiple sites, we could account for those here. Location 2 is closest to where I live. I'd like to go on the 19th, and then what time I'd like to actually arrive, broken out in 1-hour intervals. So keep in mind, one of the things that we would do upon configuration is actually look to limit however many people are coming within a specific time range. So if you're looking to only allow 100 people to come between the hours, between each hour, as those 100 get filled, these numbers would get grayed out. So 11 to 12 may not be available. I may have to do 10 to 11. So depending upon how many people are actually trying to register and what date you're looking for, certain times may be grayed out. We don't want to have everyone show up at 8 a.m. and wait online for 5 hours. We'd like to space it out to service everyone efficiently. So either way, I'm going to select a time that is actually open and available. I'm going to sign the form. And I'm going to submit it. I'm taking to a confirmation page, just letting me know my unique number of my application that was sent in. And what we're going to see here is this is simply letting the local government know that someone new has applied. Just a simple notification to say that, hey, here's someone new that's looking to get tested. There's another email here that will go back to the requester. We're looking to have certain people tested on this so they can show up with their phone, show their email, and then they can, the person at the testing site can verify the information here. There's also a PDF attached should they want to print it out for their convenience, but we have all the information in the body of an email. They should just be able to show their phone as they pull up. So the person at the testing site, what they would do is they would log into the system, come to govpilot.com. They would put in their unique credentials. And when they log in, they'll have access to a database of all of the people who have registered to come down. So the system being cloud-based can be accessed from anywhere. So if you have a tablet or laptop out in the field at the mobile testing site, you'd be able to access this information. So if they want to see that, we have some tiles here. Again, as soon as I log in, I'm greeted with some colorful tiles, depending upon the modules that I have access to. In this case, we see how many people have applied, how many did we provide results to, or I may want to access all of them. Let me access all of them. So if someone comes up and you're looking to verify their information, depending upon what you're looking to do, they'll probably provide you with their unique reference number. This is unique per every single application that comes in. They may provide their name. So if they say, okay, last name Delmonico, you're able to search by any of these column headers. Oh, and I need to verify that your reference number 7. Okay, you're good. I see that everything is lining up. You can proceed to go get tested. So you could actually open the record. We can see all the information here. We've already verified it, and we can put that they have been tested. So we're gonna go ahead and change that status to tested. Now keep in mind the test results are not stored in the system. This is specifically designed for managing the registration um, of the people who are looking to get tested, and the times of when they're looking to do that. So what's going to happen now is based upon the status change of tested, an email is going to be sent out. Thank you for taking the test, and we'll contact you as soon as the results are in. This is an automatic email notification. So when the test results come in, again, the user within the local government can come to search the database for a specific record. Again, if I'm looking for Delmonico, I could type that name in here. I could go ahead and open that record, and I could look to change that status to say, hey, I have provided the test results to the individual. And again, once that's done, the record would be considered closed. Again, the person registered, they came in, you marked that they were tested, and then you marked that you actually provided them the results. And then they'll receive another email notification just to say, hey, thank you for taking your test. We have provided you the results, and therefore the record will be closed. So that's the main features and functionality of the COVID-19 drive-through testing registration module. Again, designed to manage the registration process itself, making sure that everyone's not showing up at 7 a.m. to get tested. We can efficiently assign, make sure that blocks of time are open for people to schedule themselves and process them efficiently. And then simply look to change some different statuses in the system as to what's going on. They've applied, we've provided them with the test, and then we've also given them the results. And so when the results are actually given, it'll timestamp it, and you'll see how long the record actually stayed open. So be able to measure on an ongoing basis from when applications are coming into the system, how quickly are we actually able to get them tested and to give them the results. So again, that's the main features and functions of this specific module. Thank you for watching.